some celery. You gonna pick me up something to eat? Hey, how you doing, buddy? You doing good? You gonna get a nice, strong young man. You say you been working out lately? I wish I could work out. My big bones ain't good no more.
What's up, man? Nick.
All right. You got yourself a little honey you talking to? Oh, hello, how you doing, buddy? You doing good? Y'all not smoking that reefer nowadays, huh?
You look like you've been smoking
Back
that
up in that day, I don't know where you get in trouble for that. My daddy was showing my behind up doing that kind of stuff. What's your name, man? Well...
Dude, I feel like I'm in a Twilight Zone.
Dude, you smoking that reefer and probably that Twilight Zone, boy. Oh, yeah, I need some prune juice. Gotta get this. My bowels haven't been moving lately. Gotta get it out. It's hurt me. I've been eating all that cheese out.